This is the newest trading bot for Pocket Option. Unlike the others, Flex AI is not just a piece of code, it's your personal, fully customizable agent that works 24/7. When talking about customization, this is what it looks like. Live assets, OTC or crypto. Set your own charts type, time frame, and the most important, your time zone. Flex AI will fully synchronize with your own Pocket Option account. When all the settings were set, let's proceed to the first Flex trading session. Today, we will trade starting from $10,000. Opening trades in the OTC mode, we do like it more because the time can be set in seconds. Our project has been granted with the unique Pocket Option promo code. You can see it on your screen. Use it now and get a 60% bonus for your deposit. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok. More content there is coming soon. If you want, you can change the time and, of course, the amount. We usually change the amount when we look at the balance and understand that we can already put a little bit more. This is a great result we got by trading with Flex.